Hi everyone and welcome to my place, continuing with the great botanical adventure, how our flowers grown and how to design with them. And we're at Mangrove Creek Farm. I just loved seeing this growing. Now it's called Pieris, but some people call it the lily of the valley tree. Kind of does look like lily of the valley, but lily of the valley grows differently, so we won't get into that. Now, often people say to me, what do you do with it, Astar? Well, this is one of the designs that I use. And the thing that with me, and what you probably have already noticed, is in the spring, depending on the conditions, depending on whether it's warm or cold or what's happening with those conditions, you're either going to get lots of it or you're just going to get a little bit of it. This is what I do when I've only got a little bit and I want to create something that's just standalone gorgeous. Now I've got the white and I've got the pink and I've got this. Now this is the container I'm going to use. Wow. This container lives at the back of my cupboard and it comes out once a year and it comes out for this design. This container is very difficult to work in, and the reason it's difficult to work in is because it's got this little shallow thing, this big tall stem here. So it's been designed, created so that things drip and hang down, but there's not that much room in there. So this is what I have done. And it has been a life changer. This is called Sally's Liquid No Nails, and it comes clear, like glass clear, which is fantastic because all you need to do is to get a big glop of that, put it onto the base of your pin holder or frog, stick that in there, wait 24 hours. It is waterproof and it is as strong as that will not come out. So might I suggest, if you want to use this for something else, just be very careful because once it's in there, it won't ever come out. So it's fixed for life. Anyway, it's a perfect solution. Now, don't put the water in at this stage, but with the little bits of Pieris, what you can do is use the pin holder to hold in place the little bits of Pieris. It is brilliant. And what I like about this design is it's just this lovely little mass of beautiful Pieris, and it just looks like it's floating. It's gorgeous for table arrangements. I've used this theme for weddings. It's just a beautiful thing, you know? And it's so quick and easy to put together. Look at that. And then I'm going to bring that bit into the center there, and look, it all holds perfect and it doesn't fall all over the place. Now this bit here that's got the little bits of foliage on it, just cut those bits. Let's not waste here, and then go in there and just fill in any of the little voids that there may be, just as if it was growing. And then with the pink, I'm just going to, these bits here, just put those in, fill those into there. So look at that. Oh, it's gorgeous. I love it. And I do get very excited with spring flowers, but I think it's after a long winter when we've had hardly anything nice to play with. And then all of a sudden these lovely crisp, clean blooms come in to our gardens. Now, do I want to use that? No, I don't. I just think I want to leave that like that. And then what I do is I put that with it, and you've got this little still life moment down here. The eye hits this and it comes up to here, and it's just such an easy design, but so visually effective. Now, the other thing is, into this water here, I've got a little bit of bleach just to keep everything all neat and tidy. And then at the end, I put in the water. Now, I'm not so worried about seeing that pin holder because it just gives a little bit of a base, and then you see your flowers floating above it like a little tree. Gorgeous, easy spring design using just one flower. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed sharing it with you. Further information on growing the Pieris, where it's grown, how it's grown, can all be found at I'll put the link up so you can have a good read. See you again another day.